calling from Bay County. Sheila has is it a land title question? Is that right, Sheila?
Yes. What it is my father had passed away 7 years ago. I had to buy my siblings out to be able to purchase the house. My one sister already did her quick deed and sent me the paperwork. My brother that was on the paperwork as well, he passed away before I could get all of his paperwork done. Now, I found out that he did have a will, but he had the will before the home was purchased through all this. And his 2 sons and daughters are the only living family that they have, and he's divorced. And the question I have is, how can I go about getting my brother's name off this paperwork?
Wow, that's a very interesting question. There's a lot of moving parts there, obviously, Sheila. I'm probably going to turn this one over to Doug because I think it's right up his alley. So, Doug, what should Sheila do in this situation?
Well, we have seen similar situations like this. It's a little like a law school problem, isn't it, Les? There are so many factors, and I'm not sure I followed all of it. This is why you'd want to sit down with a civil attorney to go over and make sure we haven't missed anything. But in general, the fact that your brother sadly passed on before he could execute a quitclaim deed to get you that interest in the property, yes, it would have to go through his estate. If in fact the 2 sons and a daughter are his sole heirs, the fact that the will was done before the property was acquired doesn't matter. He has an interest in it. I assume from your father passing on the 7 years ago, so he has an interest through either a will or intestate entitlement. So it's unfortunate, but yes, you have a few more hurdles to jump over to make sure your brother's heirs are going to be able to cooperate and eventually convey that interest to you. Not insurmountable, but it is an issue.
Very good, very good.